What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Ron, and welcome to my channel, where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. Well, today's video is going to be a bit different, okay? It's going to be apartment tours, all right? Because your boy is definitely looking for some spots to be, some spots to live in the DMV area. All right, so but I'm gonna be showing you guys some tours that me and my brother we did, some spots that we actually went to. If you're thinking about moving in the DMV area, or mainly like the Baltimore area, because these are gonna be some like Baltimore areas that I'm gonna show you. Because I know when people hear Baltimore, they get scared. All right, look, it's not that bad, bro. When y'all live in Baltimore, y'all know it's not that bad. It's certain people that just make it bad, okay? But for the most part, the county area is pretty nice, pretty beautiful. It's very beautiful actually. So most of these apartments are going to be 2 beds and 2 baths. Now it's not going to break your bank. You're not going to spend more than 2K, or you're never going to spend 2K. So for the price of these apartments, I'm going to make sure I drop it in a video, but I'm going to show you the price range because it fluctuates, okay? You guys understand, every month these apartments, it either goes down or goes up depending on the market value or the competitors that's out there. So I'm going to put down, from how much you can actually expect to get that apartment, okay? So stay tuned, let's go. Now this apartment is a 2 bed and 2 baths. As you come in, there's a closet to your left. As you enter the door, I think there's a washer and dryer in that closet. So here's the living space, the living room. It's not too small and it's not too big. It's actually a pretty good size. I like the fact that it's separated with the dining area. You can have TVs, I guess, on both sides. And here's the balcony. Seems pretty nice, large size, pretty decent. I do like the kitchen with the stainless steel appliances. The cabinets are pretty brand new. So renovated kitchen, so those are pretty brand new. Looks nice. I like the feel. Microwave looking nice. Now let's walk to the bedrooms. This is 2 bedrooms. As you come in the hallway, to your left there is the first bathroom. Boom. All right, you guys can see it looks pretty decent, nothing too major. Pretty nice size bathroom. So that's gonna be for the guest room actually, and everybody else that come in. Now this room is too small, and I know this is for me and my brother. As far as the apartment, and my brother was like, yeah, that's too small for me. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to live in this room. It's too small, but the closet is okay. It's a decent sized closet. You can't expect too much, all right, for the price. Now you come in the master bedroom. It's decent, all right. It's not as big as I really wanted it to be, but it's pretty decent. There is my own bathroom right there. The own bathroom in the rooms, standing up shower, which isn't too bad. I actually like tubs. I know people like stand up showers, but I like tubs actually. Now we're done with that. We're gonna tour this other apartment not too far from that. All right, now this apartment right here, this is a 2 bed and 1 bath. Not really our preference, because I know me and my brother, we really don't like to share bathrooms. All right, we are 2 grown men and we don't want to share bathrooms. All right, but here's the living room, man. It's pretty light. It's not really big, I'm not gonna lie to you. And here's the kitchen as well. The kitchen is pretty small, but we can work with that because it's an apartment, okay? We can definitely work with that. Brand new appliances, stainless steel appliances, really nice sized cabinets, dishwasher, all that good stuff going on. Okay, now let's go to my brother's room again. Look, our biggest pet peeve was the rooms. If it's too small, if one is too small, then we can't say yes to it. Okay, now this room right here is probably for like a 4-year-old. The closet size is okay, but not for a grown man. You guys can see the room is pretty small, man. Look, we just had to get out of there. Now this will be, the master bedroom, my room. Now the master bedroom is a regular size room. I don't know why it's a master. It's regular size. Closet space is pretty nice. I actually like the closet space. It's not a walk-in closet, but it's a nice space for the closet. It's actually 2 closets, or maybe it's just 1 long closet. It's not bad. You you can separate the clothes that you want. But here's the bathroom. Again, not bad. Just regular sized bathroom. Pretty nice, pretty clean. Of course, because no one lives there yet. But that's about it. It's not really too much to see in this apartment. The neighborhood is very beautiful, but the rooms are pretty small. And here, again, back in the room. He is not liking the room. He's laughing his room off right now. He is not liking the room. It's too small for him. Back to the kitchen. It's okay. It's nothing too new, nothing too good, nothing, it's not really something that I would complain about, because I know apartments are really temporary. I can work with that. And that's a washer and dryer as well over there. 2-in-1. Well, we're gonna grab some food before we go to the next one. So here's this apartment. Is a 2-bed and 2 baths. It's pretty nice. Carpet, I'm not a big fan of carpet, but I can definitely do this. Now the kitchen for me was like, no, I really didn't like the appearance of the kitchen. It looks like, roaches can build a home in here. No offense to the landlord. It just looks old school for me. But as far as the living room, I can, deal with that. It's not big, but it's also not too small. Now let's go to the room. Again, this is his room. Too small. Now already, boom, we cannot do it. The room is too small. It is too small. The closet, too small. Too small. We cannot do it. And this is his bathroom, or the guest bathroom. It's pretty nice sized bathroom. Decent. Again, nothing major. Nothing like that's what you can expect. Nothing too big. Now let's go to the master bedroom. The master bed was actually a really good sized bedroom. So for me, as far as for me, I had no issues with my bedroom size. It's just the second bedroom. The guest bedroom is what we were not really okay with. But the bathroom is pretty nice. Not bad. Big size window. Not bad again. Carpet, not bad in a bedroom. Walk-in closet, not bad. So as far as for me, I had everything that I really look for. Big closet or walk-in closet with my bathroom. Now, if I don't get a walk-in closet, it just have to be a big closet in general. But that's what you can really expect from here. This place, the balcony is pretty long. Move on to the next one now. Now this right here, as soon as you walk in, there is this closet, the coat closet. To your left, as soon as you walk in, the living room is okay. It's pretty small. But I actually like the kitchen, I like the kitchen. You got a bar, island table. He's trying to feel the wall to see if it's thin or, nice size wall. Because we don't want nobody in our business, you feel me? But here's the kitchen. It's not bad, nice size kitchen. I like the kitchen actually, I really do. I like the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. You guys know how I feel about it. Microwave. As we come down, this is a 2-bed and 1.5 bathroom. But again, the bedroom is too small. So this will be his. The bedroom is too small. The closet is okay. It's pretty decent. Small closet. Now this is the bathroom or the half bath. This will be his, with the washer and dryer unit in the bathroom. As you open this door right here, this is the bathtub. So we both gonna have to share the bathtub if we're to move here. So this is the bathtub. I actually like the concept, It seemed like a 2-bathroom, but it's really 1.5. But the concept is pretty genius. and this will be my half bath. Toilet and sink. Nothing too major, but I do like the fact that the wood follows all the way to the bathroom. Now this will be the master bedroom. Again, one window, not too big, but decent enough for daylight, for the natural light. Nice closet, nice size closet. It's not too bad. Nothing too major in the bedroom. But it's actually not bad. This is not bad. It's the living room is just too small, but this right here, this is a hit or miss. The kitchen is pretty big. I like the kitchen, but let's go to the living room. You guys can see it's pretty small. Well, not too small and not too big. But this room right here, this is like, bro, I don't even know if this is a closet. This is like a den, but it actually counts as a room. This is like a closet. Like, you can't even fit a queen in here, not even a full. But we know that was a no-no. But we still continue with the walkthrough. Let's go to the kitchen. You can have a small dining space right here. The kitchen is pretty big, you know. I actually like the kitchen size. This could be a nice spot for your tables. But as far as the cabinet, that's a lot of space, a lot of storage. A lot of cabinet. I'm not gonna need all of that. I'm a man. Look, we don't really need too much. Stainless steel appliances. Nothing too major, but it's a pretty big kitchen. There's a closet right here. Walk-in closet. I don't know why that's important in the living room, but it's okay. The bathroom, he's like, nah, come back later. Okay. Now here's the master bedroom. Nice size window. Nice walk-in closet. You know, it's a nice size walk-in closet. I would do something like this. But this is a 2-bed and 1 bath. So, you know, we're looking for 2-bed and 2 baths. But this small room just threw us off. We were not feeling the small room. This is like a closet. Yeah, this is not happening. So this was already a no-no. The price was crazy on this to be a 1 bed. For this to be a bedroom, that's crazy. But here's the bathroom. Nice size bathroom. Pretty decent. Nothing too major. Nothing too major in the bathroom. I like the color. Like the vibe in the bathroom. More like a hotel bathroom. That's about it. Alright, nothing too major in here. Let me smack these tacos real quick before we move on to the next one. Now, this right here is my favorite. Out of all of them, this is my favorite. You come in, there is a walk-in closet to your right. The moment you come in, a walk-in closet to your right. Closet space right here. Not bad. So this is, to me, this was wow. 2 bed, 2 baths. Love the kitchen. I didn't care too much about the stainless steel fridge. That's besides the point, you know. But I love the kitchen. Open concept. Love the view of the living room. You know, everything I imagined, it was there. Love the dining room. You know, it was just wow. Wow. I love the view, man. You're literally looking at anything you can look at. I'm not going to reveal what view this is, you know, just due to confidential information on YouTube and for my safety, just in case, you know, I am to move here. But the view is beautiful. It's beautiful, inspiring, very inspiring. Now let's go ahead and move to the rooms. See what we're working with. The rooms are, you know, like I said, they're nice size. I like this because the guest room is a nice size with a big window from left to right, right to left. Big, very big window. Carpet. You actually have the choice to remove the carpet if you want. You can just ask them if you. Well, I think I'm gonna remove my carpet. But as far as the model, you know, I like it. There's 2 closets. It's pretty nice. You can turn one to your shoe closet, one to your clothes, however you like. It's pretty nice. Both have bathrooms as well. 2 bed, 2 baths. Bathrooms are nice, ready to go. I like the color. I like that blue accent. pretty nice, man. This was actually my favorite out of all of them. The best thing about this is the master bedroom, or what I call the Ron's room. That'll be mine. All right. It's pretty nice size. You know, it's like the same size as a big living room. Nice room. Nice room. Love the view. Love the concept. Now, this one did not have a walk-in closet, but I think some options have those with walk-in closets as well. But this one that we toured did not have a walk-in closet, but it did have 3 closets. So this, in a room, there's 2 closets. Across from that, there is another closet right by the bathroom. Here's the bathroom, you know, the master bathroom. Not bad, you know. Again, I like it. You know, I like it. I don't think there's nothing that I don't like about this. I actually like it. Here's the actual closet, so that makes it 3 closets in the room. So far, like I said, man, this was my wow. But as far as the apartments, that's all. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're thinking about coming to the DMV area, do your due diligence if you really want to move into a safe neighborhood, a really nice apartment. The price, again, is not going to break your bank, you know, but you just have to do your research and make sure that you are definitely working on that credit score, or else it's going to be very hard for you. Again, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Y'all be blessed. And I'm out.